How to wire transfer money from Bank of America. Open the app and in the bottom you have to click on pay and transfer. Multiple options are available here. We just need to click on wire. By the wire transfer you can transfer money domestically and internationally both. So we have to click on start a wire. Now we just need to add a new recipient, so we have to click on this plus icon. Your recipient's account is located in which country, you have to select it from here. After that click on next icon. What type of account are you sending to? It's personal savings, I have selected it. And whose account is it? If you are going to transfer your money to yourself, then you just need to select this option. And if you are going to send to someone else, then select this. Now click on next icon. Please hit the like button. Who do you want to add? You have to enter their first name, last name, and make sure all details should match with their documents. Enter your recipient's address, city name, state and zip code. So after entering all the details, in the bottom you will find next icon, so we have to click on it. So I hide my most of the details due to privacy issue. If you are satisfied with all details, just click on add icon, and if you want to edit it again, then click on edit. Be aware of possible scams. You can read this warning and after that click on OK. Now from here we just need to select from which account we want to transfer our money, so click on choose account. We just need to click on next icon, so our recipient account will be added. So after adding new recipient account, you just need to select it from here. Now we just need to select our account from which account we want to transfer our money, so click on choose account and select your account. After that click on next icon. They're asking how much do you want to transfer, so you need to enter the amount in the US dollar and bank is going to show you exchange rates here. So after entering the amount, you just need to click on next icon. Please review your details, and after that we need to select our purpose of wire, so click on choose purpose. You can select it for the family support, trade related, capital injection, operating expenses, and many more options are available here. You need to select the correct option and after that click on next icon. So this is the final review. You need to review all the details again. Now you have to click on I authorize and after that click on send icon. Successful. Your wire transfer is processing. Thanks for watching.